Ryan Nichols, Operations Section Chief with the Southeast Washington Type 3 Incident Management Team 1, to give you an update for today's operations on the 25-mile creek incident. Starting up here in the 25-mile creek drainage proper, towards drop point 10 in Division Alpha. A lot of burning around structures during initial attack in that area. That area is substantially cooled down over the last couple of days as we've continued to work in and around the structures doing mop-up. Looking really good up in that area and allowing us to move resources throughout other priorities in the fire perimeter area. We're not going to walk away from that area by any means, but it's just allowing us to refocus some energies in other places. As we move to the south down along the Chelan Lake and Lakeshore Drive, we've seen increased activity in this vicinity right here. It has actually crossed over the Slide Ridge Road. The Slide Ridge Road was our initial holding line that we had in place and we're planning to improve upon. Unfortunately, with some winds from the northwest that came at us today, it did escape over those lines. And so we're falling back to point protection along the Lakeshore Drive area with dozer lines followed up by crews and engines. As we continue to work down towards the Chelan State Park and the mouth of the First Creek drainage, evacuation notices will change through that vicinity. As we work up First Creek drainage, we've punched in a dozer line up to tie into Slide Peak. From there, our containment line ties into the Devil's Backbone Trail system. Again, up around to the area of Juniper Point, into the Shady Pass, coming back around to the Grouse Mountain. That is our containment line plan at this point in time. Right now, the fire is kind of creeping down the east side of Hot Peak, moving towards the Slide Creek, and then again to the west off of Lone Peak, and very substantial activity up on the Grouse Mountain area. Those areas are all interior of what our containment line is proposed to be. That brings us back around to the beginning